Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for our senior viewers: the vegetables you should avoid to maintain optimal health. Certain vegetables, while generally considered healthy, can pose potential risks for seniors. We'll explore why that is and what you can do to ensure you're making the best dietary choices for your golden years. So, if you're ready to learn about these surprising veggie villains and how to protect your health as you age, stick around. Let's get started. Our first vegetable might come as a surprise: spinach. Spinach is high in oxalates, which can bind to calcium in the digestive tract, potentially forming kidney stones in those prone to them. For seniors who may already be at a higher risk of kidney issues, it's crucial to be mindful of oxalate intake. Instead of large servings, incorporate smaller amounts of spinach into your diet a couple of times a week. And remember, cooking spinach reduces the oxalate content, making it easier for your body to handle. Next up is kale, another leafy green often hailed for its health benefits. Kale is a goitrogenic vegetable, meaning it can interfere with the thyroid gland's ability to utilize iodine, potentially leading to hypothyroidism. Lightly cooking kale can help reduce its goitrogenic properties. If you have any concerns about your thyroid health, talk to your doctor about the appropriate intake of kale and other cruciferous vegetables. Let's move on to broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable known for its cancer-fighting properties. Broccoli contains raffinose, a complex sugar that can be difficult to digest, leading to bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. Gradually increasing your intake of broccoli and ensuring it's cooked thoroughly can minimize these side effects. Chapter 4. Brussels sprouts. Tiny cabbage, big concerns. Brussels sprouts contain goitrogens, compounds that can interfere with thyroid function. Steaming or roasting Brussels sprouts can help reduce their goitrogenic effects. As always, consult your doctor if you have any concerns about your thyroid health or experience any adverse reactions after consuming Brussels sprouts. Chapter 5. Cauliflower, a cautious approach. Cauliflower contains FODMAPs, a type of carbohydrate that can be poorly absorbed in the gut, leading to bloating, gas, and discomfort. Consider cooking cauliflower thoroughly and consuming it in moderation. If a particular food consistently causes digestive upset, it's best to avoid it or speak to a healthcare professional. Chapter 6. Asparagus, the urinary tract's frenemy. Asparagus contains asparagusic acid, a compound that breaks down into sulfur-containing substances, giving urine a distinct odor. Asparagus's diuretic effects can increase urine production, potentially leading to dehydration. If you experience any urinary discomfort or changes in frequency, consult your doctor. Chapter 7. Eggplant, a nightshade to be mindful of. Eggplant belongs to the nightshade family, which contains solanine, a natural pesticide that can be toxic in high concentrations. Some individuals, particularly those with inflammatory conditions like arthritis, may find that consuming eggplant exacerbates their symptoms. If you experience any joint pain or inflammation after eating eggplant, it's best to avoid it or speak to your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Moderation and careful preparation are key, especially for seniors. Always listen to your body, and if you have any concerns, consult your doctor or a registered dietitian. Here's to a long, healthy, and vibrant life.